Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Christmas card pack in Plants vs. Brainrots game new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Christmas card pack, and if you want to get this card pack, you need to join the Snow Bridge event. You can earn snowballs first. I mean, you can collect snowballs from defeating snowy brainrots, and then you can submit your snowballs to this NPC, and sometimes it will give you the card pack. I mean, the Christmas card pack. Okay, and I got this Christmas card pack from this event, guys. But for now, I will get money for submitting the snowballs. And I'm going to open the Christmas card pack and let's see what we'll get. Okay, tap the pack to open. And okay, I got blinding snow and slippery agility again, and effective training. And wow, it's limited card. Frigid fracture. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, that's so cool. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Christmas card pack in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.